like that? Why does it stop like that? I'm gonna limp this thing home. Today's the day I actually take this rig on the trails. All right, so this 660 Grizzly has been fighting me for months. I've chased fuel issues, I've replaced the OEM carb, I've done the valve, so I've definitely spent more hours on this than I want to admit. It was the winter time, I don't have a heated garage. It's been taking too long, but instead of just driving to my driveway, we're actually gonna try to rip it to one of the warming shelters right down the road. The cold does not need the choke. But there's a little vent hose. It's supposed to vent and kind of have some blow by into your intake. I accidentally hooked it up to the actual carburetor port. There's like a little like carburetor port on the top, that port. And I'm assuming what was happening is it was just leaning it out. It's all fixed up there now, and hopefully this will just fire right up. Now again, having this rig survive driving around my yard, trail is going to be a little bit different. Now there are a few things that are wrong. So as you guys can see, main seal or rear diff seal, that's leaking a little bit. So I'm not going to take it too far. Other than that, she's looking mint, boys. I don't know. I never owned a Yamaha, but we're going to try her out today. All right, so today's mission is simple. It's just simply take it on the trails and see if I fixed it. I'm not totally convinced it's gonna make it back is the problem. Put some of these on for safety. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh, it just died on me. I got nothing. I got nothing at all. And it just died on me. Oh no! Oh no, what just happened? Let's turn the gas off real quick. We're on the side of the road, so this isn't a good thing. Shut right off, eh? Well, this is a terrible spot to break down. See if I can move it up a little bit. See if I can push it to this guy's driveway, maybe. Oh, this ain't good. Once this car passes, I'm just gonna put it in that trail, I think. So I'm gonna push it over in that trail right there so I can start working on it. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna push it. Oh no! There's some noises going on here. So it died off and I had immediate no power and it literally just bogged off, which is weird. You guys hear that? What is that weird noise? What's going on? Like, why did it do that, I wonder? I don't see any gas. Really weird. So it just immediately shut off. So exactly what that guy talked about is basically what ended up happening. Huh. Well, let's see if it'll start, I guess. Because I have no idea. Let's put it in reserve. Why that did that. All right, it started back up. But it did exactly what that guy said when I bought it off him. So it was like driving kind of fast. Immediately died. I don't want to go too far in there. And it started right back up. How's it gonna move? Okay, so how is it driving again like this? This makes zero sense. What is going on? Like, why did it just do that? Okay, I'm gonna keep driving it until it does that again, guys, I think. I wonder if it's not getting enough fuel. I don't understand how it did that. So I got absolutely no brakes, as you guys can see. Maybe a little bit on the back. A little mud. why it cut off like that. Now, it was on the highway when I was giving it like almost full throttle, and then it cut out. So maybe it's the main jet, maybe it's the bowl itself isn't filling up and then just cuts all, and then it has to wait till the bowl gets filled where the carburetor is, maybe. I don't know. It is cam, so maybe it's asking for more fuel than it actually is. That could be the issue too. I don't think I'm gonna go any further than this though. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I get a little nervous. Something clicked there. I didn't like that noise. Idea. Something's definitely going on here, guys. You hear that? You hear that clicking? What is that? What is that noise? Is that diff? Oh, it's like locked up right here too. So you see that? Like, that's not moving. It should be moving. It's definitely in the... Oh, that doesn't sound good. What is that, I wonder? See how it's like kind of shuddering? It should just be easily rolling back. You hear that clunk? Now it's stuck there too. What does that mean? Why is it clicking like that? Why does it stop like that? It's got to be something to do with the diff, right? I'm gonna lift this thing home. What is that noise? That noise. She did make it back. Some issues there. What in the world? Something mechanically incorrect is going on here. Now smelling oil or gear grease real bad. I think I found my culprit. That's just coming straight from the rear diff, I'm guessing. If you guys can see, there is our diff fluid basically everywhere. Now looking at this as well, so this is like the front prop shaft, I'd say. There's supposed to be that much of a wiggle in this and make that nice clunking noise. I don't see any gear oil though from the front diff that attaches to the diff. It's just cooked. So I'm really gonna have to take this apart, I think. I'm gonna have to take the whole diff out, all that kind of stuff, do a once over of this. Obviously I gotta change the seal here, but whew. So hey, yeah, we got a few issues with the bike here. Did it make it home? Yes. If I probably would have driven maybe another 5 minutes, I don't know so much. All right, so the old Grizz needs some work, that's for sure. So we had 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 issues, but the main one was, I don't know what exactly happened, but it was just like the guy said. He said he was driving it and it just died off. So I had 0 throttle and it just died as soon as I stopped, but then it would start right back up. So it was the bowl and the carburetor not filling properly. But again, I adjusted the level to try to get it to be there, but maybe I gotta adjust it a little bit more. Maybe it's just old gas. I have no idea. She's also got a lot of clunks to her, which is a little sketchy. The rear diff needs to be looked at. The front little prop shaft thing needs to be looked at. There's a lot of mechanical things as well that need to be kind of addressed. Did it dry? Did it rip? Not as hard as I thought it was going to be. I think it might need to be jetted again. So I think it needs a bigger main jet inside of it, just based off the feeling of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's gonna be a little bit of time for me working at this. As always, guys, let's play it off with some music. Everybody want me because I'm up now. Quickly coming up the score like I made the touchdown. Swerving in a Lambo, doors go up, not on the bus now. Used to want a G-Shock, now I'm walking with a bus now.